It's our last day at the beach. हाम्रो फ्लाइट छ सेम टाइमिङै हो, जस्ट आज रिसेड्युल भएको 1 डे बाद 11:55 रातिको हामी जान्छौँ होटलबाट फेरि लगेज लिएर विल गो अराउन्ड 7:30 8 o'clock मा चढ्छौँ त्यहाँ रेस्ट अफ द टाइम अप टु 4:30 सम्म हामी यहाँ बिचमै बस्छौँ यसरी आज यहाँ we've taken the thing beach bed लिइरहेको छौँ for 1.5 or 2 hours. We'll enjoy some drink. Cola and JD. We'll have some chips and just hang around. That's the charge. No, भैया. No.
Thank you, baby.
Cheers.
For the good times. Cheers to the good times.
Cheers to the good times.
Many more to come.
Many more to come.
Forgetting about you is so hard. Knowing that this is the last time I can finally see you smile and say goodbye. Goodbye. I can finally see myself saying goodbye.
Hi guys, हामी यहाँ फोर्टमा आइपुग्यौँ and our flight is departing from gate number C. I think we've really हामीले धेरै अगाडि नै चेक इन गरेको छौँ जस्ट 8:45 मात्रै भयो अब फ्लाइट इज के भनिहालेँ 11:55 मा सो आई थिङ्क प्रिटी एम्टी छ अहिले त मेबी आफ्टर आवर वी आर टु अर्ली भने त अन्त मेबी अब आफ्टर एन आवर or so I think
only 9 to 9.
So it is because of that also. अनि त्यही हो जाने ट्राभलिङ डेजहरुमा it is better you do everything early. You never know, traffic jams are there. lot of things can happen. So we came way early. Everything is done. Security check-ins bhaisakyo. We've received our boarding passes. Ani एउटा फेरि के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ as you all know मैले previous vlog मा भनेको थिएँ कि हाम्रो flight got cancelled from Delhi to जुन चाहिँ बागडोग्रा थियो. We again requested for rescheduling. Rescheduling we were again not informed. Rescheduling त गर्दैछ तर again rescheduling कस्तो भयो भन्दाखेरि from Goa then we'll be reaching Delhi around 2:30 AM in the morning. Then again around 9:35 we are again going back to another place, that is Guwahati. So from there we'll be reaching around 11:30, I don't know, I'm not sure. And from there I think it's 12:45 we've got another flight from Guwahati to Bagdogra. So we are again going to another state, that is Guwahati. Okay guys, I think our boarding is about to start. 11:20 भएको छ टाइम अनि it's right out there, gate C. We are waiting for the boarding. Like once call up आएछ भने चाहिँ then we'll start to board. So till then यही छ, फेरि बसिरहेको छु all लगेजहरू रेडी गरेर. Okay, the boarding call has been made, so we are boarding guys. Okay, we'll see you inside the flight. Bye.